street park a few blocks away because the road is blocked. That is the first time I've seen that. I guess since the pandemic, that was the only time I've ever seen Griffith Park blocked. This place is abandoned. It's great. Look at this. No one's here. It's way too hot for a beanie. Thank God I didn't bring an extra rain jacket. It hasn't rained since I've been up here. My expectations are a little let down. I do like hiking Griffith in the rain, but God, the humidity in this onesie's brutal. Ask and you shall receive. The rain just started. By the time I was up there to get down here. Thank God, chance to cool off a little bit. My water is almost depleted. Drank so much because it's so damn hot. This nice little droplets feel great. So far, I've seen 2 people on the hike. One guy with a dog, a dog, sorry. One guy with 10 dogs. And another solo guy way back there. But even Mount Hollywood, which is that little peak. Where is it? Peak. One of those peaks. It's up there. It's completely empty. Usually you see these little heads bopping around, but not today. But look how green it is. Much needed rain here in Los Angeles. Wow. It's so quiet. This is the most peaceful, well, beside the pandemic, this is the most peaceful I've been to Griffith. What the fuck am I trying to say? It's the most, besides the pandemic, this is the most peaceful time I've been at Griffith. What am I trying to say? I have no clue. This is one of the most peaceful times I've been to at Griffith. Does that make sense? I'm not even high. Oh well, it's peaceful. This is very peaceful here at Griffith is what I'm trying to say. The top. What an awesome hike. Little mist coverage over Mount Hollywood. Oh God, it looks like there's a big storm. Clouds are moving super fast. Total, I've seen about 4 people on this hike. It's not too bad. Rarely do you get peaceful days at Griffith. Maybe that's what I was trying to say earlier.